passing me. What the is going on?
Understood, we're reporting it. Get in there, Lewis. Miracles do happen, mate.
Guys, what an amazing job by you guys. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. Love conquers all.
Mate, no power.
Yeah. Mode 1.
Mate, really? Can I not just go and the engine blows up? Mate,
Okay. Stop the car, please, on track, Max. Stop the car, please.
what a f***ing choke all the f***ing time with this shit, honestly. Ah.
Okay, there's something loose between my legs.
Copy, constant
Apart from
speed.
the obvious.
GP, what's going on?
Overtake it, mate. Just overtake it.
No. Last weekend I was in front, now he's in front. Come on, man.
Max, overtake it, mate.
No. It's discipline.
What the is this my Russia doing? He has been 3 corners now in the middle of the road.
And he finished P1. Nice job, mate. Good lap.
If I don't avoid that, he's just going straight to my car. Honestly, what are we doing? Racing or ping pong?
I think Ericsson hit us.
I crashed.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
See you later, son.
Alright, don't get greedy now, mate. That's good. Settle down.
I mean, what they are doing? What crazy start, you know? They need to calm down.
I tried 3 times, please, Commander.
I've tried already, so try yourself.
You're still within DRS on Ricardo.
I'm driving like a grandma.
Get in there, Lewis. 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 Get in there, Lewis.
It's not the race we were after, but yeah, good result.
I don't know what you mean, man. I don't know what's wrong.
Yeah, copy that, Lewis. Hard to say what it is.